how to replace the air filter in your Chevy Malibu. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
So with the hood open, we can see the air box on the passenger side of the engine bay, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips head screws that need to be removed. Then we can open the cover of the air box and get the air filter out. So I'm going to loosen these 6 Phillips head screws. So I have the 6 screws loose. They do not come all the way out. You just need to get them loose. And with them loose, we can now lift up and move the cover out of the way and get the filter out. Down here you see 2 tabs that notch into some grooves. So we're going to take the top and push it up towards the windshield, and then we'll move it over on top of the engine. So up towards the windshield, and then we'll just kind of fold it over the engine like that and take the filter and remove it. So we can see this one is dirty and needs to be replaced. But before we put in a new one, go ahead and vacuum and clean out the air box before we put the new filter in. With the air box cleaned out, we can go ahead and install the new filter. So just take the new filter, set it in place, lock in the 2 tabs at the bottom of the air box cover. Line everything up and tighten down the 6 screws. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.